And Maharashtra MLA Rohit Pawar insisted that 18 of the 19 NCP legislators in the state were currently in talks with Sharad Pawar. He claimed that the politicians were waiting to attend the monsoon session of the assembly before crossing over in order to secure development funds for their constituencies. Listen in to what Rohit Pawar and Brij Mohan Srivastava had to say.
स्टार्टिंग से कह रहे हैं कि 18 से लेके 19 तक है। अभी देखो ये अधिवेशन होगा, अधिवेशन में फंड उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी को दिया जाएगा और जब फंड दिया जाता है तब सब साथ में मिलके वहां पे अजीत दादा रहेंगे। अगर एक आध आमदार या एमएलए आज आ जाए तो वहां पे फंड नहीं मिलेगा, तो ये जो चीजें होगी तो शायद बहुत सारे आमदार कहेंगे या कह रहे हैं कि एक बार अधिवेशन हो जाने दो, फिर उसके बाद हम निर्णय लेंगे।
I am unable to understand why he is saying this thing, because in the Mahavikas Aghadi joint press conference, the leader categorically spoken that we will not accept any person who left them. So, why he is saying this thing is simply they want to create an atmosphere and saying that the MLAs are leaving us. Till morning, we didn't receive any message or any person who is saying that we will left Ajit Dada Pawar. Everybody in our contact, and we are sure that our MLAs are fully confident that they will win the election, and there is no issue to leave us.
My colleague Radhika joins us with more details. Radhika, now on the other side, the Sharad Pawar faction claiming that more leaders are going to switch over to their side.
That's right. Over the last few days, several leaders within Sharad Pawar's side had been claiming that many of the MLAs from Ajit's side, Pawar's side, are in touch with them. At least about 18 to 19 MLAs want to switch sides, is what Rohit Pawar has said. He's been saying that for the last several days, and not just him, but Jayant Patil of Sharad Pawar camp also maintaining the same. However, this has been vociferously rejected by Ajit Pawar and his group of leaders, calling this just a narrative that is being created by the other side, and they are intact as a singular unit, and nobody from Ajit Pawar's side is interested to shift to the other side. However, we know what kind of performance was showcased by Ajit Pawar's side. Of course, Mahayuti did not perform as expected, just about 17 seats out of 41, and as far as Ajit Pawar's side is concerned, just one seat, among the 4 seats contested, Baramati being lost by Ajit Pawar. So therefore, there are internal disputes, discontent and disgruntlement within Ajit Pawar MLAs as well as several other leaders. They are not getting what they want. They are being sidelined within the party, and also they had been demanding a cabinet berth, which was also rejected to them. So in a sense, Ajit Pawar's side, facing these rifts and challenges within Mahayuti, perhaps that could be the reason why many of the leaders would want to jump ships, and also because assembly elections are around the corner, just about a few months away. So therefore, political churn certainly likely to happen, but one side maintaining that MLAs are in touch with them, which is the Sharad Pawar side, while the other side completely refuting these claims made by Sharad Pawar and his group of leaders.
Right.